Google plans to overhaul its assistant to integrate generative AI features. Work has already started on the mobile version of the product. The project will involve team reorganization and some layoffs. A copy of the email employees received regarding the change is available in the article. Nintendo is planning to launch its next console in the second half of 2024. Development hardware for the console is already in some third-party developers' hands. The console will be usable in a portable mode, just like its predecessor, but it will likely go with an LCD screen to keep costs down. There is a need to keep costs down due to other internal upgrades. The device will have a cartridge slot. It is unclear whether the device will feature backward compatibility with Switch games. A claim by a group of South Korean physicists last week may open up a new era for humankind. The team created a purportedly room temperature, ambient pressure superconductor. Such a material could have huge implications for energy generation and transmission, transport, computing, and other technologies. There are now several efforts to replicate the work. This article explains the finding, why it is so significant, the controversies around the study's publication, and the process that the papers need to go through before the findings are verified. SpaceX ran a full pressure test for its new water deluge system for Starship on Friday. The previous system was not able to handle the orbital flight test in April and the launch pad ended up as a crater. The new system is composed of a very thick perforated steel plate and multiple huge water jets that continually cool it with water. It is unclear how much water is discharged during a full pressure spray or whether SpaceX will have to apply for an environmental permit for disposing of industrial process wastewater. Many Tesla drivers have reported getting much less driving range than expected. However, when booking in for a service, Tesla employees would tell them that remote diagnostics indicated their batteries were fine and their bookings were refused. Tesla had deployed a team instructed to thwart customers complaining about poor driving range from bringing their vehicles in for service, as its service centers were inundated with appointments from owners with the same issue. The company had reportedly inflated its in-dash range meter projections as a lack of range is a primary obstacle for customers looking to purchase an electric vehicle. The Python team has officially accepted a proposal to remove the global interpreter lock, GIL, and offered a short and long-term plan to do so. The SEC's lawsuit against Coinbase accuses the exchange of trading 13 cryptocurrencies identified as securities and operating as an unregistered securities exchange. It alleges that Coinbase is failing to protect its users with regulatory inspections, required record-keeping, and protections against conflicts of interest. The SEC says that Coinbase's staking program is also an unregistered security. The lawsuit did not include a formal request for companies to delist crypto assets. Coinbase's CEO Brian Armstrong opted to handle the matter in court, as complying would have meant the end of the crypto industry in the U.S. LLMFlows is a framework for building LLM applications. It provides a set of abstractions to utilize LLMs and vector stores to build apps without hidden prompts or behind LLM calls. LLMFlows makes the development process easier by ensuring complete transparency for each component. China's ME's 16-260, a 16-megawatt wind turbine with a rotor diameter of 853 feet, will produce enough power for 80,000 residents and reduce CO2 by 61,729 tons. While it's easy to attribute Stack Overflow's drop in traffic to the rise of generative AI tools, there are many other factors at play. International app developers who offer ad-supported streaming video services to Fire TV users will soon have to opt into Amazon's in-house ad publishing service or offer up a cut of their ad revenue. This repository contains the code for Universal and Transferable Adversarial Attacks on Aligned Language Models, a paper that proposes a simple and effective attack method that causes aligned language models to generate objectionable behaviors. Amazon has delivered more than 1.8 billion units to U.S. Prime members so far this year, with more than half of the orders arriving on the same or next day within the top 60 largest metro areas. Open-source large language models are now used and studied everywhere, but the field of research was heavily criticized for its poor performance in the past.